All right, cool. We're on both now. We're streaming live simultaneously on both. So let's see click go. AEHL's just not doing it. Once it went under volume weighted average price, it decided to just say no. Said no to crack. It broke out of the channel and said, screw off, we're done. This one here, let's see, 30-minute chart on this one. Still not giving us enough information other than it's got pretty much three white soldiers right here, which is a bullish pattern. If you go on a 15-minute chart, we're just waiting for it to break. We're waiting for it to break $5 on CLIK. See if it does. Let's see if the shorts piled in on that. Oh boy, sleepy times. Just adjusting here. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Don't forget to hit the like, the follow, the share, do all that fun stuff for me. That'd be great. So there's that. Let's check a 5-minute, dial this in a little bit better. I'm being very patient with this one, and I see that if I woke up earlier, I would have been very not happy with my entry because it looks like I was not. I jumped the gun a little bit there. 448 is my entry. I hit 496 there. Looks like it wants that gap. There's a gap sitting up top here at 621. So we'll see. I'm gonna try to hold out till that. As long as it holds volume weighted average price and holds this trend line here, I think we're in a happy spot here. We're in a happy place as long as it holds. If it doesn't hold, then we're screwed. We're just gonna have to say ouch and accept the spanking for what it is. 24 of you in here. Maybe my phone, but I can barely hear you. I think that's your phone because I haven't changed any settings on anything. And looking at the live, looks like my volume's actually peaking out. So I don't know. I don't think that's. How about you guys? How's the volume on your end there? Good morning, Night Owl. All right, let's see this little cup and handle here work out on click. A little bit of a cup, a little bit of a handle here. We just need that little boost right there. TikTok volume's fine. Perfect. There you go. It's okay. Come on, click. Let's go. Work out for us here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Break through that $5. Click. Break through that $5. There we go. Ah, my brand new 17 is fucking up great. You got to get yourself a 15, man. This is a 15 right here. This is a little guy. No, I had to get my kid a freaking phone, so we gave him our old ones and we upgraded, but we went to the 15s because we don't need the newest and best. We just need something that's functional. And personally, I like how small these are, considering how big the other ones were. Like you always think you need a bigger screen, bigger screen, bigger screen, and then you get the bigger screen, and the damn phone doesn't fit in your pocket, right? And you're sitting there going, "Damn it, I guess I don't need a bigger screen." Come on. Don't break down. Ah, she's breaking down. Come on, don't do it. Don't do it. I have high hopes. I had high hopes for you. I had gap hopes for you. Let's see what the 15-minute looks like. How's she doing here? 15-minute. See, the crap that sucks about like the charting on Weeble is the stuff doesn't stick to the time frame doesn't stick as good as you would like it to. So right there, it's right now it needs to hold that volume weighted average price 434 has to Muscata. If it drops that volume weighted average price, then probably not going to work out. Probably not going to go to the gap up here. Damn, damn, Van Dam. Come on, man. Hold on. Don't you do it. There you go. She's holding on. She's holding on, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got your attention now that we've scared the living daylights out of you. MACD's still looking okay. Still moving in the right direction. There we go. Now break through $5. Go for a run to 620, and we'll be happy. 5 minute. What's the 1 minute look like? 1 minute still looking kind of like a cup and handle inverted weirdo right here. Double bottom, whatever you want to call it. Still looks okay as long as it's above this line. Stay above this line. We're all okay. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare for flight. I like that. Let's go with that. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your seats and tray tables in an upright position. We're going to be departing the runway here at a speed of 300 miles an hour. We will be up in the air. We're going to be approaching about 4,989. I don't know. I'm distracted right now. And I'm tired. My eyes are watering because it's windy in my house. I'm just kidding. It's not windy. It's just my eyes are watering because they're sleepy. But we need this to break. It has to break this $5. $5 has been giving it a rough time. Once it breaks $5, I have a good feeling that that 621 is going to come out. Come on in. This is it. All right. What else is moving though? Let's see. Come on, baby, breakthrough. I don't trust Easy Go. Nope, I'm not gonna say I like it.
I think I like it.
MNDY, Jesus. It's a more expensive stock, but it is up $17. It's up 24%. It's $90.11 right now. It is pumping for a $90 stock. It's pumping. Man, wouldn't it be nice to see a 200-300% at a click today? That would be great. That would be great. Oh man, I need to wake up. This coffee better kick in. Hey, thanks Creep for the rose. Thanks Mitchell for the let him cook. Appreciate it. We're cooking right now. We're waiting for this thing to come to fruition and do this little cup and handle pattern here. This is what we're looking for. Oh, not that. That's old. That is old stuff. But that actually worked out. That was actually a current pattern on a different stock. We're looking for this right here. This is our cup. This is our handle. Here's our breakout right here. Needs to break $5. Breaks $5. Next spot's right up here. Next spot's right up here. My opinion, that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm holding out for. This is it. Listen to the music. This is it. Cup handle. Uh,
I think I like it.
let's go, baby. Look at that. Let's go. Come on. Broke 5. Now keep on moving. Keep on pushing, baby. Keep on pushing. Come on. Break 5, hold 5, and keep going. There we go. 520, 524. There we go. 525. 530. Come on now. Keep on going, baby. Keep on going. You just flipped that MACD right here. This is a 1-minute chart. On a 1-minute chart, it just flipped the MACD. Come on. Hold 5. Give us another leg up here. Nice little cup and handle. Worked out. Worked out pretty good. What I'm looking at right now is it could possibly be doing an inverted head and shoulder pattern as well. Let's erase this. Inverted head and shoulder pattern is right here on a bigger scale. You can kind of see it right here. Here's a little bit of right there, and then a little bit of there, and then a little bit of here. Threshold, threshold right here. Breaks that, and we got our $5, 550. Then we got 621. That's what I'm thinking. Could be wrong, could be right. You know, this is all just for entertainment purposes only. Nothing else, right? Come on now. Let's go pick it up. Pick it up, break through that $5 again, and go for a little run here. Be my little psycho. Come on. All right, guys, let's go. Doing good, doing good. We're at 56 people in the room. That's cool. Partying. It's a good little party. Again, I would not trust Easy Go with my sister if I had a sister. I would not trust Easy Go with my sister. Nope, not at all. AEHL had a big dip. It did. This is a 1-hour chart on AEHL. This is a 1-minute chart. Big dip. Big dip. Hopefully that just means it wants to get back above this green line. The green lines, guys, the green lines are important. Those are trend lines. Those are lines that you do not want them to be broken. Not at all. Come on, break $5. Let's go. There you go. Back over 5. Let's see that push. 556. Come on, push it on up. Oh, the Discord alert worked out. Discord alert worked out on CLIK there. The alert was 394 entry to 413, stop 373, take profit 437, take profit to 467. And I'm not paying attention. I should have been paying attention. That's dropping pretty quickly there. Could be profit takers, could be algorithms playing with our emotions, could be whatever it is, but it's something. It just needs to get back over 5 again. AEHL trying to push back over the volume weighted average price. Oof, that's a big sell-off there. Man, oh man, look at MACD's even crossing back over. That's scary. That's not good. That's not good. Come on, keep it up. Hold it up, man. Damn. You know I'm working on this, right? I'm working on this to stay above that 5. Mentality has to be there. All right. So yeah, the last take profit on this one was 504. So I don't know if you guys followed the rules that I put up there, but they were up there and the alert was up there, and hopefully you guys made some money. Remember, I play on a different scale. My risk is all jacked up. It's a lot different than your guys' risk should be. What's your bra size, world animal? What's my PNL? Who gives a fuck what my PNL is? Everybody trades different. Everybody's got different risk. Like this past week, I'm up about 2 grand. Wonderful. Who cares? It doesn't fucking matter. What matters is if you follow the rules. What matters is how you trade. Your emotions, my emotions, completely different. I could fucking suck at trading, but I could call out some pretty fucking good targets. I mean, my Discord alerts, I believe I was at 96% last week. You know, world animal. Don't base it off of your P&L. Who gives a shit? P&L doesn't matter. What matters is I show you guys live. I call out targets live. That's what matters. What matters is if you can follow your own rules. That's what matters. And yes, I would like to know what bra size. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. I'm married very happily. Come on, bounce off a volume weighted average price and go up. See, like this perfect example. Look at this trade. Look at this trade. I was at one point I was up $200. At one point I was up $200. Did I sell? No, I didn't sell. Now I'm down $16, $13, $33, whatever. That's how it works. That's how it works. You do your own thing. This isn't financial advice. This isn't nothing. This is entertainment. That's what I'm trying to get across to you guys. You want to copy trade, go copy trade somebody. Don't copy trade me. I'm going to do things on purpose to show you not to copy trade me. You know? There you go, Mitchell. There you go, buddy. Are you still partying it up for your birthday? Happy birthday. I'm surprised you're up this early. Come on, bounce off that volume weighted average price. You know you can do it. Dun, 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 dun. Fuck yeah, brother. That's good, man. That's good. Party it up. Party it up. You only turn 21 once, man. You only turn 21 once. Well, not really. You turn 21 like a gazillion times. Come on, be the hammer I want you to be right there. Don't do it. Don't break down. Don't break down. Let's see what the 5 minute tells me here. Let's see. 5 minutes still looking okay. Oh, 5 minutes still looking all right. 5 minutes still looking all right. World animal. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to come off aggressive, but I that's one of the questions I dislike the most because I show you guys pretty much everything. I show you my wins. I show you my losses. I just I do me, and sometimes it's like, man, getting personal. I don't even know you. You didn't even like you haven't even been around. This is your first time, and that's the first question you throw at me. I'm a little hurt. I mean, buy me a drink first, you know? I mean, geez. All right, we're still looking here. LOL on 58 and still celebrating 21. Ah, nice, David. Nice. All right, so as you guys can see, this one's kind of flubbing around. You got your 5 minute MACD kind of turning back down here. I'm hoping that is a fuck around kind of thing going on there, and that she wants to just wake the hell up, and this is like a 5 minute cup and handle. That's what I'm hoping for. Could I be wrong? Very much so. Probably should have taken my profits when it was up at 530. I mean, considering that's almost a whole dollar a share, you know. So sometimes you get a little greedy. You want your price targets to work out, and you want that gap to fill. So it's levels over ego. Well, the level there showed me that it was coming back down. Let me see if I could find something else that's moving. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there's that GAMB risky. Yep. Why didn't it come up? Party like a rock. Yeah, this one's beefy. Floats float's okay. It's only like 1.95 million, a little higher than we'd like, but volume's pumping. It's already doubled the average, so that's pretty cool. Come on, baby. Yep, hold that VWAP. All right, where could this one go? This one's working on a nice little channel. It looks like it's trying to work a little 1 minute channel there. Let's go to 30-minute. Let's see where it can go, where it's been, what it's doing. Yeah, I'm sorry if I'm a little aggressive, guys. I took a little nap and it made me a little ornery. It was nice waking up with money. That was cool. I've never done that before. I've never passed out and woke up, hey, look at that, I got some cash. Because most of these stocks are they're crap holes, most of them, right? Here's a little gap on GAMB at 760. Possibilities of it getting there, considering it's at 560, are pretty good. Usually when you're just that close, pretty good. Possibilities are pretty good. All right, so your first target on this one. Oh, we got 585. Look at that. So 585 has been hit several times. So I'd say 585 is a good spot, right? That's a good target. After you break through that 585, yeah, you could probably get 642, 642. Probably get there. I'll make that medium target because I think 6 is going to be, actually, let's go 597. We'll go right there. That is your first target. 597, first target. So you got 596, 597, 644, and then you got your gap at 760. So we'll see if that wants to happen. Man, this thing is slowly trying not to die. It's trying not to die. It's kind of, the MACD's not giving me a whole lot of hope that this thing wants to turn around on CLIK. Makes me really want to just say, darn it, should have taken my profit. Should have, could have, would have, didn't. All right, so here you go. Let's see what this thing looks like. So now you're on a 1 minute chart here. That looks pretty scary, right? On a 1 minute chart, MACD's coming down. Most of these pump and dump real quick. I'd say this is your line in the sand right here. 610, I'm sorry, 510, $5. It's your line in the sand there. I would not be excited about playing this with that in mind. Right there. Come on now. Tell me my risk is worth it. Got to get back over $5. Big green candle. Let's get a BBC on there. Who wants a BBC in the gap, right? Who wants to put their BBC in that gap? I'm talking about big body candle, you pervs. Big body candle. That's it. That's what we're looking for. Big body candle all the way back up over $5. I'd be very happy if this thing wanted to just jump up to 519 real quick. That would be really cool. That would be really cool of it. Again, MACD's not showing me much good right now with its little hump here getting smaller. Could be a fake breakdown. That's what we're all hoping. Just gap it, Mitchell. That's right. Just gap it. Let's go. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go. Bulls, step on back in here. The level 2's looking a little weak. Little weak here on CLIK. We got 2200 sitting at $5 on the ask, and we got nothing stacking on the bid, so it's looking pretty weak. All right, look at this thing coming back down. 510, remember 510 I think is going to be the cutoff point there on GAMB. Hey, look who it is, Stinky Pinky. What up, dude? Long time no see. Been a little distant. Come on, baby. Pull on up. Follow this trend line up. Come on, dog. Man, how about that Strickland fight, huh? You guys watch a little bit of UFC there? So nothing's changed then, Stinky Pinky? Yeah, how about that Strickland fight? Damn. He is a fun fighter to watch. DRTS, what is that? It just kind of popped up there for a second. Look at DRTS just pumping. Up almost $3. DRTS. Click is no longer looking appetizing. It's looking like it's breaking down, unfortunately. Still holding on, like like one of them adrenaline junkies. Still holding on. All right, man. This thing's looking peachy. They've got some news, looks like here. Alpha Tel Alpha Dart Glioblastoma's trials show 60% complete response in interim data. Oh, okay. All right, so it's got some glioblastoma thing going there. Some blah 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 stoma. Yeah, it looks like it's pushing $12 real easy. Let's see what the 30-minute here tells us about this stock here. This is DRTS. You guys should see it on your charts. DRTS, darts, pushing that $12. Pre-market's definitely sketchy. Oh, look at that. And there's a little gap at 11.96. Wonder why it's having problems at $12. Wonder why. Gee. Let me think. Oh, come on, fingers. Hey, for those that you that actually give a shit. So my son's flag football game, we had that this past weekend. We played a pretty tough team. We actually ended up winning. That was my second game coached, so I'm 2-0. My son and his team are 4-1 right now. So won 5, lost 4. Oh, look at this thing. It's breaking down. Fuck. Yeah, that MACD, see? That MACD was telling us something. It's about to cross over, and I'm down $100. Well, fuck me in the goat ass. You really whizzed that thing. All right. So where is it gonna go if it can break that gap there? Let's see. Is there any other gap above it that's close by? My shoulder right now. Ouch. So we are in the championship, so that's cool. And yeah, that's gonna be a tough one. That's gonna be tough. The team we're gonna be playing is 5-0, so they got their kids are like as tall as me. It's crazy. All right, let's see. Come on, break on through. Damn, look at that, down $115 already. Talk about a hole in one there. Oh, fuck. Fuck. See, again, broke the trend line, right? What are we looking at? What are we trying to figure out here? Broke the trend line. Jay, why didn't you sell? Well, because I'm a stubborn asshole. I'm a stubborn asshole and I didn't sell, and now it's going to cost me some money. That's just what happens. Let's see if this one can get to this 11.96 again. That is the gap. Looks like 11.96 is coming up. After 11.96, you're probably going to look at around 12.52 as your next target on this puppy. 12.52. There you go. We'll make that TP2. TP3, you're going to look at about 13.14, 13.12, somewhere around there. That's TP3. So there you go. She's lined out. As long as she holds this this nice little pattern here that she's got going, she's doing higher highs, higher lows. high, higher high, higher low, higher low. Continuously moving up. This one's trading sideways. Currently, this one, I do not want it to drop down to this little line here, which we will now make red because now it's very possible that she's going to come right back down to this because of the pattern that she put up. That's a little head and shoulder pattern right there. If you haven't seen it before, there it is. It's on the screen. Here's your shoulder, here's your head, and here's the fuck you, Jarek. And it's literally how life works for me. Right here. There's your shoulder, there's your head, there's your other shoulder, and she's going to come down to this line. And this is probably going to be about negative $300. That's just how I do it. That's why you can't ask someone about their fucking P&L. Who gives a shit about their P&L? If you can fucking trade, if you have a different risk reward mentality, then you'll be profitable. I could have been profitable right there, about $200, and I wasn't because I didn't sell. Are your decisions or your emotions gonna do something to your trading? Yes. Yes, that's why even Ross Cameron tells you, "Hey, my trading is not normal. This is not regular," because he can control his emotions and he can control his risk. Me, on the other hand, I'm an aggressive bastard. I am aggressive as hell. Right, Mitchell? That's right. I am aggressive. I also don't play with a margin account. I'm a cash account. Yep. And look at this thing. It pumped up again, pumped up close to that 1196 and pushed right back down to volume weighted average price. That's what you call double top. It's going to break volume weighted average price. And it'll probably come down to here. This is your line in the sand on this one right here. It's 1021. That is a far cry from where it's at right now. This one over here, again, I have a feeling it's going to push down to here. It probably cost me about $200. Still holding like a dumbass. Crazy no one saying yes. That is what we are here for. Wanting to maximize your profits. Well, I'm just playing it the way I see it. I see momentum in the stock. I see a lot of volatility. I am a momentum trader, so I like the momentum. I don't want to buy and sell real quick. Like I said, I bought in here thinking this was going to explode here. I passed out right around here somewhere. I didn't sell. And then it dropped down here. I slept through this, and then I woke up back up here, and I was like, "Oh shit, I'm up. Okay, that's cool." Yeah, I started setting an alarm for 4 a.m. just in case I pass out. And this time it woke me up and keep on walking. For your validation, brand reputation. What you believe, you're dumber than the lies you weave. And that is how I feel. That's exactly how I feel. I'm not here to impress anyone. I'm not here to act like I am the best trader in the world. I'm not here to do any of that shit. I'm just here to show you guys levels, have a good time, trade with a community. That's what I'm here for. You know? That's it. If you're not in it for that, then you're in the wrong channel. You're in the wrong live. Let's go. Come on. To be the fucking boss. There you go. Go Sharks. Thank you, Night Owl. Heck yeah. Thank you, thank you. I'd try, man. Those kids are awesome, but they're it's tough. It's really tough with these kids, just for the pure purpose of they are the smaller team. They're not very big. All right, so I drew this trend line. It broke that trend line. Now we got to do the right thing. We got to draw the other trend line, the trend line that goes down. This one right here. So you draw it from 530. You can draw it from 530 there. You draw it. You hit this top right here. You hit that, and you do that kind of thing. You turn that one red, and that is your downtrend line. So you've got one. Hang on a second. Let's make sure it touches. Touches, and this one here. Make sure that touches that top line. There we go. So now it's touching. So this thing keeps on going down. It's going to keep on going down to this. And once it breaks this, it's going to do exactly what this thing did. Look at that. Didn't I tell you that is your line in the sand? Fuck it after that. Look at that. Good God. $9. It's a whole nother dollar. Could happen here. Really could if it doesn't want to break through this because it's doing higher. It's doing lower lows and lower highs, as you can see here. On this one, you can see the stair steps, and I'm still in it like a dumbass. Right? Look, stair steps. Right? That's what it's looking like right there. Unless it wants to break through here, if it wants to break through this trend line, then there's a possibility that it's going to get back up to this right here. And that's probably where it's going to find some resistance. Definitely going to find a resistance right here at the volume weighted average price. The volume's pumping on it. The only reason I'm still in it. So. What's up, Jimmy? Thank you, Cree. Thank you for taking care of business. Appreciate you. Fucking $4. Jesus Christ. Come on. See now, volume's taking a break on this. You can totally see how volume controls the price, right? Where algorithms, where these hedge funds come in, they need that liquidity. They need all that volume. This thing's done 24 million shares in trading on a float of 1.66 million. They need retail to dump all their shares, to put all that crap in there. They need somebody to buy it up, which means they need a little bit of movement, which means they need a little bit of news like they had here. Report strong revenue growth and swings to profit. Senior nursing sector skyrocketing over 110% on the track of HK 500 million annual revenue in 3 years. So they needed that little catalyst there to move this thing from about $2.30 all the way up to $5, 5.30. Trend broke. Now it's just trading sideways. Unless they go for another leg, then this thing's done. Unless they try it again. Unless they try to dump some more shares. What's the order flow on this? Oh, they got nothing shown for today yet because the day hasn't started. Day starts at 6. So, yep. I would love for this thing to hold $4. If it doesn't, then I'm just going to take a pretty hefty loss. But again, last week I'm up about 2 grand, so I'm not too upset with losing a little bit of money. Yeah, I can't stand kids, so I'm not playing that one. I don't even want to look at that one. Kids is a dangerous stock. That one's dangerous. Currently looking like it's trading in a little bit of a channel, but we've seen that thing dump so hard. And again, that's just my opinion. You play it, whatever. That's on you. Man, my nose is just, oh, God. Come on. What's the volume on this thing now? Look at this. So right down here, we're in the, we barely make 100,000. We don't even make 100,000 anymore. Zero volume left here. Over here, you got 500,000. You got a million. Yeah, so that volume needs to pick back up. All right, we're at the red line. We need this thing to push strong through this red line back up to volume weighted average price. That's what'll tell us that, hey, this thing's back in session, right? Court's back in session. That's good.
You've heard that I'm free. You be one. I can promise
You now.
this love be
I gotta go get a fresca. Give me a minute.
will be.
Oh,
You'll not just turn around, kid. I know those guys as sure as I live. This love I can't is gonna be yours till the day I die. Baby,
you guys know I like to share, right? Hang on.
as long as we sit and talk about it, as long as we sit and talk about
Look at this. I'm gonna show you guys my meat right now. This is my meat. Oh, look at that. So this is New York strip, cut up, marinated overnight. Friggin' I'm gonna do some shish kebabs with this stuff. Oh god, it's gonna be so tasty. So tasty. Thanks, Mitchell. I appreciate it. I can't wait, man. I'm gonna barbecue this shit up tonight. Oh, you can even smell it through the bag.
it.
Oh, it smells so good.
Takes its toll on my body, makes the young honey, I don't care.
All right. Let's see. How's this thing doing? Is it gonna walk? Okay, so here's the other thing on this thing. Right here. Here's the other thing you gotta understand about this thing. So now that it's back over this red line, sure it's showing a little sign of bullish, but the bad thing is it can continue to walk this line down. That's the bad thing. Unless it's back over the volume weighted average price, I still feel bearish on this, unfortunately. I'd love to say that, yeah, this thing's fucking gonna rip. It's gonna be amazing, but that'd be just bullshit. Oh, hey guys, look at that. We didn't hit 7,000 likes. That's okay. We're at 458. We have 2 minutes left before I go over to the Discord and start my bullshit there. If you guys want to get over to the Discord, that's where I put out alerts. That's where you would have caught Click. You would have also caught CCTG. CCTG did not work out. I was waiting for. So when I put these alerts up, you're waiting for that pullback. That pullback was on Click was 394 to 413, and the top take profit was 504 on that one. I didn't follow the rules, but if you followed the rules, you would have made some cash. Anyways, if you want to follow me over to the Discord, this is what's going on right now. $39.99 a month. You get live trading room access. That's the Discord. You get live alerts there throughout the day. If I see something cool, I'll post it on the Discord. If you're getting the watch list, then on the watch list, as soon as the watch list comes out, I go ahead and I notify people on the Discord, watch list is out. Because you could also get full access. Full access is $59.99. The watch list is right here. This is the watch list. That's what it's going for right now. These are both on discount right now. I don't know when, but soon enough, the full access is going to be $99.99. People that are in at previous pricing, you guys stay there forever. You guys are grandfathered in until you cancel. You cancel, then you're back at regular pricing. That's just how it's got to be. I got to run this like a business, and I can't just give it out to my friends. But again, you're grandfathered in whatever price you're at. Okay. I will see you guys over on the Discord, and you guys have a great day. Thanks for the 6,600 likes. You guys are awesome. Peace. See you on the Discord. All right. Thank you, Night Owl, for holding down the fort on YouTube. Appreciate you. See you on the Discord.